If you're looking for the best Google Ads courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share the top 3 Google Ads courses based on ratings, credibility, practical skills, and career value. Before we begin, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Google Ads Mastery. Create and optimize winning campaigns from LearnCarts. This beginner course teaches the complete Google Ads workflow, including keyword research, bidding strategies, campaign creation, audience targeting, budget management, and conversion optimization. It's a great option for learners who want a dedicated Google Ads course. At number 2 is Google Ads for Beginners from Coursera. This free guided project has a 4.4-star rating and more than 6,000 reviews. In less than 2 hours, you'll learn how to create Google Ads campaigns, perform keyword research, target the right audience, and understand pay-per-click advertising. Taking the top spot is Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate from Google. With a 4.8-star rating and more than 51,000 reviews, this professional certificate goes far beyond Google Ads. You'll learn paid advertising, search engine optimization, email marketing, campaign management, e-commerce, analytics, and real-world digital marketing skills that employers value. Here's why Coursera Plus is worth considering. Individual courses and professional certificates often cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you also want to learn SEO, analytics, AI, marketing, or business skills, buying them separately can become expensive. With Coursera Plus, you get unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations with one subscription. The current offer gives you 40% off your first 3 months, lowering the price to just $35.40 per month instead of $59. Check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description.